The disruption we've seen in manufacturing over the past 18 months has accelerated changes that have been in the offing for many years. Where we once spoke about the possibility of doing something, the past 18 months has required businesses to just do it. This can be seen in the changes in work practices and where we work. Some business models have changed completely. Some have unfortunately ceased to exist, while others have pivoted to deliver the same products and services in totally new ways to serve their customers. Manufacturing supply chains have required reworking due to the disruptions experienced. We see these changing models in the increased number of companies who are moving all or some of their manufacturing more local, presenting significant opportunities for Irish businesses. In tandem, the term Industry 4.0 means that manufacturers are integrating new technologies, including the Internet of Things, analytics and cloud computing, AI and machine learning to their production facilities and throughout their operations. The early adopters of these technologies have embedded lean and digitalization to deliver services and products in more effective and efficient ways. They've seen an explosion in the amount of data they possess about their businesses and their customers and are leveraging new technologies to deliver more value. Another group of manufacturers either have not embraced it yet or at the start of their journey and are seeking to understand what it means to them and how do they move forward. What is right for them? What should they implement? And what does it all mean? They both face the same question. How do we use the data and adopt relevant technology to serve our customers, shareholders, and the environment better? The answer lies in the investment in the proper skills for their staff, to develop them as problem solvers and value creators, to answer two of the biggest problems we have, the climate crisis and the changing business landscape. Having staff who can identify how value is added and delivered to the customer is an investment in the business that will continue to return benefits year after year. Lean and digitalization are key enablers to sustainable manufacturing and sustainability in general. Having skills within the business to leverage the data through Industry 4.0, problem solving and critical thinking by staff will enable businesses to meet the challenges we face on climate change, meeting customer expectations, and changing business landscapes. Lean, digitalization, and climate change are all intertwined. One enables the other, and to deliver one, we must have the necessary skill sets and the right methodology and approach to effect the change.